Okay, question number 5 in homework lesson 9. A cuboid tank with a length of 20 centimeters, a width of 5 centimeters, and a height of 12 centimeters. 3/4 of the tank is filled with water. After we put an iron cuboid with a base area of 25 centimeters squared and a height of 10 centimeters into the tank, what is the new height of the water? So in such kind of question, we have to determine, is that iron cuboid fully submerged or partially submerged, right? And now let's see what's the original height of the water. That will be 12 times by 3/4, which equals to 9 centimeters. Okay? And that is a little bit lower than the height of this cuboid. So we cannot tell so far is that fully or partially submerged. And for such kind of question, we can assume that the iron cuboid is fully submerged and then do the calculation. If the height of the water is higher than 10 centimeters, that means our assumption is correct. If that answer is smaller than 10 centimeters, that means our assumption is wrong. We have to assume that it is partially submerged. So that assume the air cuboid is fully submerged. Okay, and in such kind of situation, you have to get the total volume of the water and the volume of this iron cuboid divided by the base of the area of the base of our cuboid tank, right? So the total volume equals to the volume of water, which is length 20 times by width 5 times by height, which is 9 centimeters, adding the volume of this iron cuboid, which is 25 the base times by 10. All right, and let's do the calculation and see what do we got. That will be 100 times by 9, you got 900, and plus this 250. After doing the calculation, that equals to 1,150 cubic centimeters. All right, and then to get the height of the water, we have to use this divided by the area of the base of our cuboid tank, and that new height equals to 1,150 divided by the base, the area of the base, which is 20 times by 5. So you see that is 1,150 divided by 100, so you got going to be 11.5 centimeters. And since we assume that this iron cuboid is fully submerged, and after do the calculation, you will find that 11.5 is larger than the height of this iron tank, of this iron cuboid, which is 10 centimeters. So that means our assumption is correct. It is fully submerged. So the answer to the question is 11.5 centimeters.